Hi friends, welcome to FunX World. I am your host Nanda. Today I am going to tell you all about SeaWorld San Antonio in Texas, USA. There are three SeaWorlds in USA. One of them is San Antonio. First we went to see the sea lions show. The sea lions were so well trained they can follow the language of the humans. Oh, it was amazing. They were interacting so nicely as if they can follow us. See, they are dancing. He's waving his tail. Oh my god. He's balancing his body. It's amazing. Oh, he's talking with us, saying hello. There was a show of different breeds of dog. Now we are moving forward to see the most attractive events of SeaWorld. The Killer Whale Show, also known as Samu Show. We were just speechless here. We had no words to describe this show. It was amazing. Means it's beyond our imaginations. The whale were performing so well. Oh, they were flashing. There were four whales, and we were just finding them where they are. What's going on next? Oh, it's jumping. Oh, which side the next? Is it our side? That side? Where is he next? We are just looking around where he will come up first. Oh, there he is. Where next? Close to us. Wow. Lovely. I was just out of the world. How can a killer whales can be trained so well? Hats off to the trainers over there. Here comes the closest view of our performer, our rock star. Till now we saw his performance, his eyes, his dancing, and at last we can see his powerful full whale splashing. Hey, we are getting wet. Everybody was shouting and encouraging the whales there. Now in front of us. Get ready! Oh, my camera is getting wet here. The gems of SeaWorld. Every evening inside San Antonio SeaWorld, there is a cartoon parrot show. We saw people with different cartoon costumes and they were allocated to a specific carts. It is really a colorful parrot. We can see it made the street so colorful and the kids were enjoying a lot. It's beautiful evening show. There are many other events inside the SeaWorld like the amusement park, water park, roller coasters, and also some water animals shows. There is also a dolphin shows. I will share in the same video. This is the picture of artificial waves. This is the amusement park. I don't know whether you can see me or not. I am there with the kids. Here comes the most friendly water animal, the dolphin. The dolphin show is here and how he is walking. Oh, just too good. See how high they jump. Oh, 5 to 6 feet. Just wow. Here I saw so many different types of dolphins, the white dolphins, the black dolphins, the brown dolphins, and there were so many dolphins performing so together. It was great synchronizations between them. Now I am telling you all about some of the sightseeings of San Antonio. Great Alamo House, the River Walk, which is very famous in San Antonio. There are good food restaurants. This is the World Record Museum, the Haunted House. I recommend SeaWorld as a must visit if you are planning to visit San Antonio. Thank you for watching FunX World. Stay safe and healthy.